is some real next level cutters. It's a Korean style fried chicken with some well-known trini flavors. For this recipe, we'll need 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast, 1 cup of cornstarch, some shadow benny salt. We'll get to that later. 8 cloves of garlic, minced or finely chopped, a tablespoon of Scotch bonnet pepper with the seeds and membrane removed, 1 tablespoon of ruku, a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. To season the chicken, I use the shadow benny salt. Now this is something I made myself. It's actually a real simple process. You get about 10 bundles of shadow benny, you cut off the stalks, pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 2 to 4 hours. You put it into a food processor, blitz it until it's fine, and then mix it with some coarse sea salt. You could use it to season chicken, fish, you could use it in your mango chow. Add some black pepper and thoroughly mix it. Now it's important to only use dry ingredients to season the chicken. You could use paprika, you could use onion powder, you could use garlic powder. You don't have to over season this because you have a lot more flavors coming into play later on in the cooking process. Add the cornstarch to a bowl and make sure you coat each piece of chicken evenly. Now we're going to double fry the chicken to make sure we get the super crispy exterior. Now I put away some of this in the fridge and I microwave it the next day and it was still super crispy and crunchy. So cornstarch plus the double frying, that's going to give us that super crispy crunchy exterior, no shortcuts. So we're going to fry off our chicken in batches, couple pieces at a time. We don't want to add too much to the oil because we don't want the temperature of the oil to drop. Fry them for about 2 minutes, take them out, and then what we're going to do is after we fried off that batch, we're going to put all back into the oil and fry them until they're golden brown and they have that crispy, crunchy exterior. Now you could just stop right here and you'll have a real best home-style fried chicken, but hold yourself back from eating all the chicken and you'll be rewarded for your restraint by the end of this recipe. Add about a teaspoon of oil to your pan and saute your garlic on medium heat. Add the Scotch bonnet pepper, soy sauce, go in with the ruku, rice wine vinegar, honey, and the brown sugar. And you want to cook this for about 2 minutes. Toss your fried chicken in that real best sauce. You want to make sure that each piece of chicken gets equal loving and is coated evenly. Finish off with some fresh herbs. Now I use parsley here, but you could go ahead and use fine thyme, you could use chive, or you could use shadow benny. This was really an experiment. I never made this before and I was really going for a more rich, deeper reddish color from the ruku. So I think I'll try this again and change the ratio of the soy to the ruku. So I'll swap out about 2 tablespoons of soy and use 2 tablespoons of ruku and try it with a tablespoon or maybe a teaspoon of soy and see how it comes out. Or I might leave out the soy completely and just use the ruku. However, the taste was real best. I just wasn't completely satisfied with the look because it's not the finished product I had in mind, but flavors on point. So you really want to go ahead and try this one. It's perfect for a line with your friends or family, or for stay-at-home date night vibes. Trust me, you're going to score real points with this one. If you like this recipe, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, show us some love in the comment section, share it with your friends. And if you do try it, make sure and post your photos to Facebook and Instagram and don't forget to tag us. Thanks for watching.